Welcome to my channel. In this video we have another Amazon haul. A couple flashlights, some bolt or nut busters or splitters rather, and gear wrench and whatnot. Let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, we got a gear wrench. I guess you can see there's a lot of glares. Pinch off pliers. I guess that's the part number, maybe. Lifetime warranty. I got some of the little ones, the plastic ones with a little wing nut you turn to squeeze off the hose, but I wanted a set of these. Here we have a flashlight. This thing is pretty cool. Oh, sorry about that. It swivels all kind of ways. There's all the information on that if you need it, if you can see it. There's the splitters. There's the sockets to remove strip nuts or bolts, whichever one you need to use it on. Alright, got all the packages open. I know everybody has seen these, used them, maybe. I've used them, I just didn't have any like this. So I've had the cheap plastic ones that's made kind of like this, but they don't really work all that good. So I got these, and you know, as you squeeze it in, it locks, so you don't have to sit and hold it. And here is the nut splitters, 3 different sizes. Let me hold the biggest one so you can tell a little bit better. You just loosen this up, put it over the nut, and then tighten it back up, and that splits it. Those are pretty cool. Now these here, I don't know if anybody's ever heard of this brand. I have. I don't know if you can see that or not. RocketSocket. Okay. Everybody has probably seen these. A lot of different people make them. Gearwrench makes them. Lyle, or is it Irwin? I think it's Irwin. Lyle might even make some of these. I'm not sure. But I don't know if you can see it or not. These are made in the USA. And their lifetime warranty. So these are cool. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.